Kennedy. He's knocking the ball around with good confidence at the moment. Whelan's cross, Whelan's header, Ki-Hyeon, Anderton, goal! Well, Wolves' patient build-up gets its reward. Whelan's clearing header didn't have enough distance on it. Ki-Hyeon fought for it, and Anderton stuck it away. Scott's hopeful punt up the field. Wednesday struggling here. Miller is in. Oh, he's done it! He's sealed the points, and Wolves' playoff dream is still alive. The moral of the story: don't give up on a lost cause. Priceless goal.